Hello guys, welcome to today's video on the Crypto 4 channel. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and on this channel so far, we've been creating different videos for beginners in cryptocurrency. Okay, we've been creating videos. Let me show you some of our videos on our channel. We've been creating like an outline for an outline for beginners in cryptocurrency. Okay, do check out our other videos on the channel. This is our library. Okay. All right. Here are our videos. Here are the various videos we have. We have introduction to cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency for beginners, types of cryptocurrencies, the major niches of the crypto industry, things needed to start transacting in Bitcoin, and crypto terms and slangs you must know. Okay, do well to check out all of other videos. All right, I'll be dropping the link to the videos in the description. Okay, now without much further ado, let's get into today's business. All right, let me just open the data to avoid distractions. Okay, and in today's video, I'll be talking on a very powerful tool which beginners need to know how to use. You understand for their success in the crypto industry. All right, it's more like a platform. You get it's more like a platform, and the name of the platform is this app here. It's called Discord. All right. Discord is a social media platform that was launched in May 2015. It was initially made for, yeah, Discord was a social media platform that was launched in May of 2015. All right. It was initially made for video gamers, you understand? But now it has been like adopted by the crypto gurus or those in the crypto industry as it's a wonderful platform for, you know, hanging out, dropping messages. You can send voice message, you understand? You can send videos, you can do voice calls. You can also do a screen record, like a screen share. In the sense that on this platform, for instance, as you are doing something on your screen, you can share it with other users so they too also can know what it is you are doing and do likewise. All right. So this is how the whole app looks like. Notice here, this line here, this line here is like your dash trees. All right. This is the home button. All right. Now this is where you want to add friends. If you want to add your friends, you just click on this button here, add friends. Now this is for searching. Okay, if you want to search any latest thing, just type what you want to search. You can just say crypto, and the various servers you are on will open up. All right, now this is for tagging or mentions. This art is for tagging or mentions. Now this last one is your settings. Okay, this is my own profile here. This is my account, my user profile, the privacy, authorized app connections. If you have, for those of you that have PCs and laptops, you can connect it and you run it concurrently, both on your phone and your laptop. Now, app settings here, the voice and the video. If you tap it, you see the options to put the voice and the video. And this allows you to the video sharing option. I told you this is where you do it from. All right. If you come to the video voice processing, video processing, then language, notification, text, and images. All these. Now, if you come here, this plus button here, if you tap this plus button, all these on the left hand side are what we call servers. You're right. Servers are like um they're like forums or rooms. On Facebook you see so group for football, group for Ronaldo fans, group for Bitcoin. It's available on something like on Reddit, on Quoras, and on Nairaland, all those kind of things. You understand? You see different groups. So each group you belong in, you see their icons here. Okay. Now this is a crypto village group. I'll drop the link in the description. Is a group I'm on for crypto and DeFi and all those stuff, crypto trading. Now this is a Learn Web3 DAO group. It's called a server. All right. This is a Learn Web3 DAO server. This is another one for a metaverse I'm on. You understand? Now, if you look at it, this thing here is let me do something. All right. Now these are like button here to create your own server or join anyone. You understand? There's gaming, there's school club, there's study group, there's friends, there's artists and creators, there's local community. You understand? You can do anyone. You can create your own. You can do something like oh no, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. You can do something like okay, let me create my own server for me and my friends. Miracle. Let the crypto. Okay, let me say. Let me name it. Crypto Fort YouTube channel server. All right. I've created a server. I just put. Let me say everything crypto. Take me to my server. Start a conversation. It's loading. Now this is like if I want to invite others, I'll just share this link. This link now, anybody that has this link, I can set it to the link to expires every 7 days. I don't want that. If I just click share link to take me to, I'll just copy the link and invite all these persons here. You understand? That's just basically okay. You see that? I click on share link. The options have come out to if I want to share it on Twitter, on Telegram, on WhatsApp, or whatever. And that's how the whole server thing works. Okay, now look at the server here. Look at the server I created here. You understand? But I'm just trying to show you how this thing works. Okay, now, and let me use this crypto fort, this crypto village on. If you tap it, you understand. Now, you see that there's sections. This is the sections, all right? There's announcement, there's village square, there's the channel suggestion, giveaway winners, birthdays, crypto memes. Now, all these are different sections, all right? All these are different sections. And now, this is where the messages come in. You understand? This is where the messages come in. This is where the messages come in. This is where the messages come in. So, just the app is a very wonderful app and it's being leveraged presently outside of because of the nature of Twitter. Twitter is a bit haphazard. You understand? Twitter is a bit haphazard. So Discord has been embarked up, has been used for a whole lot of persons. You understand? Both for DAOs, for decentralized autonomous organizations, for group chats, for group messages. Okay. Now, if you come here, for instance, all right, this is for a Learn Web3 decentralized autonomous organization. Now, there's the announcements room, there's anti-scam, there's for beginners start a frequently asked questions, official links. Now, there's some for freshmen. These all these are different. Each one is a different group. You understand? See chat rooms. Each one is a different group. You get. So there's even the languages. These ones are they are different rooms in this Learn Web 3 DAO server. You understand? Look at this one. This one's for the meta. You see, there's announcements, there's rules. So this tool is very powerful as it allows you to have uniformity and organization. You understand? Not to be confused. For instance, now, if you go to Twitter, somebody is dropping a message, now another person is dropping another message immediately after. The third person is dropping a third message after that. And then you sort of get confused on which to follow. But with Discord now, you the each messages tends to go to its right channel. In the sense that, for instance, now let me use this for instance. For example, now, okay, let me use this for example now. If you want to do volunteer for Web3, this is the room for that. You know where to go direct. If you want to do dev chats, this is the room for that. If you want to be a designer, this is the room for that. If you want to do posts, events, courses, podcasts, okay, podcasts, mod interview help, Web3 guides, these are the various rooms for that. You understand? So the Discord app or Discord platform is a very, very powerful platform and it has very massive capacity. Very, very massive capacity. Okay, all these and you can send a direct message to anyone. All these, you understand? All these are different functionalities available to you. Okay, this is the crypto village group I'm on. For instance, these are different rooms for owned by or managed by different people. Okay, different rooms managed by different people. There's DeFi, there's airdrops. Let me off this data to avoid I don't like confusions. Okay, all right, no more messages, no more messages. Different airdrops, DeFi, sports trading, news updates, NFTs, NFT discussion, Solana upcoming, Earth upcoming, Web3 analytic tools, giveaways, all these are different servers available on Discord. All right. Don't forget these dash trees here, all these whole functionalities are available. Now, your rendition, your interface on a PC or other device will be different from that of mobile, but it's roughly the same thing. You understand? Just that probably how it will appear on the PC will be different. You understand? So that's just all I just want to show you on this Discord app, how to use it. Don't forget, here is for finding friends. You can message your friend, message a buddy, send them an invite link or add them up to your friends. Here is for searching. You can search for any other group. You can search for any server. You can search for just anything at all you want. Let me show you for instance. Let me show you for instance. Let me come here. Let me come here. You can see gaming. Okay, no. Let me come here. Let's see. I want to search for Naruto. Let me use Naruto. Okay. So that's that for that. Here, your search button allows you to search for anything so whatsoever that you want to search for, as long as it's a group, as long as it's a server on Discord, and as long as you have the invite link, then you can be a part of that. The invite link is it's like a link. Let me show you. This is what the invite link looks like. Let me show you. Okay. Let me invite members. Now, this is what the invite link is. This is like a password for you to join in on the group on conversation and talk and stuff. This is for the tagging. If you want to mention anybody, if you want to tag anybody, this is where you click. And this, I off my data, that's why it's not showing. This is where your settings are. You understand? All right. So, and this video is a part of a second playlist I'll be organizing. I'm organizing. It will be like I'm working on the different tools. I'll be giving you different tools and softwares for your journey, for your successful journey in the crypto space. All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We have other videos on the channel. These videos are for beginners. Probably in the next video or thereabouts, we deal on trading. But for now, I just want us to have the right tools, the right information, the right equipment, the right softwares for successful journey in the crypto space. All right, Discord is among the biggest, it's the second largest crypto media, roughly after Twitter. And yeah, after Twitter, then you see Discord. There's Reddit, also there's Quora, there's also Telegram, but those ones are specific. All right, so don't forget to like the video, watch other videos on our channels, okay, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more. All right, thanks so much. To the next video where we'll be dropping another massive software for you. All right, bye for now.